Hi, this is stage 2 of Lesson Mess. I'm Jack Powers,
I'm Lana Angulo.
and Michael Miller couldn't make it tonight because he is at work. Jack Powers, me. I'm the CEO. I lead the overall vision, strategy, investor relations, and public representation. I imagine partnerships, deliver pitches, and guide long-term growth, serving as the company's primary spokesperson.
I'm Lana Angulo, the COO. I serve as the CEO to oversee day-to-day operations, production scheduling, inventory management, and supplier relationships. I organize everything and make sure everything's done on time and get all like the details in line.
Michael Miller, he is our CMO, directs branding, marketing strategies, advertising, social media, and communications. He shapes products, messaging, and public relations, positioning edible tape as practical innovation and not just some far-fetched dream.
To successfully launch our edible tape um, business, I will hire a small team in phases to keep costs manageable. The first step would be the production associates, which is two employees. They handle making, cutting, and packaging the edible tape while maintaining sanitation standards. That's like a baseline job, and anyone can really do it at $18 to $22 per hour. Quality control and food safety specialist, one employee that will ensure the compliance with the FDA and health regulations. That's more of like a salaried job at $50 to $65,000 per year. A sales representative, only one employee, will manage retail accounts and build partnerships with cafes and grocery stores, getting us out into the world and to different companies at about $40,000 per year plus commission. A part-time marketing coordinator would to manage social media and promotions would make about $20 to $25 an hour. And the benefits as the company grows on would be flexible scheduling, performance bonuses, paid training, employee discounts and then after the growth would be health insurance, IRAs, and stuff like that.
How we will motivate our employees. Performance-based bonuses, we will reward employees for meeting production, efficiency, sales targets, and quality standards, providing clear and measurable incentives. Advancement opportunities, we will be available as the company expands, allowing high-performing employees to move into supervisory or management roles. Recognition and appreciation, we will prioritize through milestone celebrations, achievement highlights, and consistent positive feedback.
We plan to operate mostly in New York near Long Island to get my professional network and advisor connections since the advisor is my boss and I know the area well. Production will begin in a licensed commercial kitchen facility before going to like a smaller manufacturing space. License and permits that are required are the food manufacturer license, food handler certifications, sales tax permit, business registration, health department inspection approval, and FDA compliance registration for food production. Um, to produce edible tape, we'll need commercial food dehydrator, food grade mixing equipment, precision temperature control equipment, commercial kitchen prep tables, food safe cutting and rolling machines, packaging and sealing machines, a label printer, and storage refrigeration units.
The technology we plan to use, the company will use high-speed laptops and smartphones to manage daily operations, along with food-safe production equipment and labeling machines for manufacturing and packaging. Cloud-based tools like Google Workspace will support document management and file storage. The edible tape will be sold through a Shopify online store or hopefully Amazon in the near future. Marketing efforts will focus on social media platforms such as Instagram, and all business data will be securely stored in cloud systems with passwords and protection.
Our primary suppliers would be bulk food ingredient distributors like Costco and like the restaurant Costco, like the that store. Specialty food ingredient suppliers and packaging manufacturers. The backup suppliers would be secondary bulk distributors, online food manufacturing suppliers, regional packaging wholesalers, and maintaining multiple supplier relationships can reduce the risk of production delays, making our company more stable and easy to be loyal to.
Our SWOT analysis, our strengths, our edible tape is a unique product that solves a long-term problem, messy handheld foods. There are currently no direct competitors offering the same solution, just competitors like tinfoil and toothpicks that hold your food together. Our weaknesses, we currently lack an established supply chain to distribute the product efficiently. Additionally, because the product is marketed towards children, demand may be unpredictable because children's diets change so much. Opportunities. There's a strong opportunity to make messy handheld foods more practical for families, since mess often influences where and what parents choose to feed their kids. Threats. We do not yet have any patents or trademarks, leaving the product vulnerable to intimidation, imitation. Competitors could replicate the concept or the formula.
Our short-term goals would be to finalize the product and apply for a patent so no one else can take the specific idea and ingredients and get at least 10 to 25 local grocery stores to sell our product and promote it. Our long-term goals are national grocery store distribution, gaining restaurant and food truck partnerships, and selling products on Amazon and bigger retail companies, and becoming a household brand that's like a staple and you'll see in everyday lives.
Our key metrics are weekly unit sales, making sure our product is selling from week to week, monthly revenue, making sure we are selling the product more than we are spending on the product every month, restaurant, store, and food truck partnerships. We'd really like to get close to fast food restaurants, stores, and food trucks to constantly be selling our brand and putting us out there. Profit margin per unit is making sure we are profiting, we are making more money than spending on the product. And social media engagement. Michael Miller will be doing this a lot. He will be posting on Instagram, YouTube, constantly making ads to help us build our brand and company.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, that's all.